Alpha cryptopedia analyst, you never complete all these words o, because you still get some wey I dey see wey I never still understand the meaning of all these slogans for this crypto space now.
Hey, how far my people? How una dey? Like I tell una before, say slogan for crypto many, shey you understand, and if you sabi those slogan, e no go even dey stress you to dey talk some kind words. Once you don talk am, people wey dey crypto go don relate with am, shey you get. So e get things wey we dey call deep for crypto market. No be deeper life o, shey you understand, and no be CAC. Yeah, this deep means market, like when market dey drop, shey you understand, like deep, the market dey drop, e dey, shey you understand, e dey go deep shit, na im be deep. Yeah, and we get this thing wey we dey call bear. No be animal bear o, but crypto sef get bear. So that bear means when market sef still dey go down. So if market dey go down, like maybe for like 1 month, 2 months, you fit talk say we dey bear market, shey you understand. So that one na bear market. So e get another one wey we dey call bull. This bull mean for crypto, e mean when market don dey go up. And e get something wey we dey call bull market again. That one means when market don dey skyrocket, like market dey go up for like 1, 2, 3 weeks, 1 month, shey you understand. So that one na bull market. We get bull, we get bear. So if you don hear that bull, you know say market dey go up. If you don hear bear, you go know say market dey do wetin, market dey drop. So e get one wey we dey call TP again. TP no be tipper o. TP means take profit. Like if you enter trade now, maybe you enter trade with 100,000, you don already dey see like 120k, 150k. So person wey call the trade for you fit talk say, guy, go take go TP o, go take profit o. Like shey you understand. If they don talk say, guy, e don reach time to TP o, it means e don reach time to take profit. And e get what we dey call SL. That one na stop loss. For example now, you buy coin for like 100k, and they come tell you say, guy, apply stop loss so in case this coin no go direction of wetin we want. E mean say if the coin don dey drop, wey be say 10k don dey comot for your 100k, shey you understand, they go tell you put stop loss o, shey you understand, or else your 100k fit later turn 5k and you no fit owe anybody for am. So na the one wey we dey call stop loss be that. E still many o, but make you still dey learn am small small. You know say I tell una say we dey learn crypto from scratch for this page. So na wetin I want make we do like that, shey you understand. So if you don hear TP, you go take am, and if you hear JP, japa be that o, no time.